Welcome back. Let's do another example in 4/4 time. So this will be EX3. Now I'm just kind of keeping track of it for myself. I'll probably lose track of these EXs down the road. But anyway, let's do it in 4/4 again. So I'm going to write down, last time I used the common time notation. This time I'm just going to write 4/4. And let's say we'll do another three measures. So 1, 2, 3, and that should be enough room. Okay. Let's do, so what haven't we covered yet? We've done, as far as little three measure examples go, as you can probably see, there aren't too many different combinations of half notes and quarter notes that I guess work for or there aren't that many different combinations of half notes and quarter notes in 4/4 time. So in terms of what you can do for one measure, so we might have to start actually repeating some. So I think we've actually covered almost all of them. I think the only one we haven't covered is half note, half note. So actually, I'll write that down right now. Why don't we make this second measure half note, half note. Okay, so now we've covered it. And then we'll make the last measure a whole note. And then this measure, let's make it quarter, half, quarter. Quarter, half, quarter. So there we go. We've got 4 beats in each measure. So we've got 4 beats where a quarter note gets the beat in every measure that we're looking at. So let's just do what we did in the last video. We're going to number our beats. So here we go. Beat 1, have a quarter note, pretty easy. Beat 1. Beat 2 happens, this quarter note only occupies beat 1, so beat 2 starts with this half note right here. So beat 2. And we hold this, so beat 3 is in our no man's land. It's in between these two notes. So we're going to put beat 3 right there. Then this half note takes up all of beats 2 and 3, so beat 4 comes on this quarter note. Beat 4. And we're done with this measure. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 beats in 4/4 time, so that measure is full. So we move on. This half note happens on beat 1 of the second measure. And we hold it through beat 2. So 1, 2. Hold that through. And then we've got another half note. So we attack this half note on beat 3, hold it through beat 4. Okay? And then finally we've got our whole note. We've got our whole note right here. So we play it on beat 1, we attack on beat 1, then we hold through 2, through 3, and through 4. And there we have our beats. Those are our beats. Now in green, maybe you want to pause the video. I should have said that before I started numbering the beats, but maybe you want to pause the video and I'm going to put in the down beats and the holds right now. So why don't you try to do that yourself? And anyway, hopefully you've paused the video if you've wanted to, and now I'm going to just put these in. So on the downbeat of beat 1, we play the downbeat, then we move on, we just hold this for beat 1. Then on beat 2, we're going to play the downbeat and hold through beat 3. So we play on beat 2, we articulate or attack on beat 2, play through beat 3. And then here we go. We have the downbeat on 4, we articulate on 4, and then that only takes up beat 4. So we move on. Then here we go. We play the downbeat on beat 1, hold through beat 2 because this is a half note. Then the same thing here. We articulate or attack on beat 3, this half note. We attack on beat 3. We hold it through beat 4. And now finally our last measure. We attack beat 1 and we hold 2 through 3 through 4. Okay? So anyway, let's give ourselves a metronome marking now. let's make it even faster. Let's say quarter note is equal to 70, let's say. And now I'll put on the metronome and we'll sing through this. So quarter note is equal to 70. Okay. Hopefully you're not getting confused. I know I'm going a bit more quickly through this, but I kind of want to, hopefully get the pace up on how you're thinking through these examples. So here we go. I'm going to sing through it. Da, 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 da. Okay? One more time. Da, 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 da. Okay? Now I'll do it on the numbers. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. Oh, sorry, I messed that up. Sorry, I'll start over. 1, 2, 4. 1, 3, 1. Okay? One more time since I messed that up. 1, 2, 4. 1, 3, 1. Okay? So anyway, hopefully these examples are helping you out. I know this might seem a little maybe a little silly for you right now to write in numbers, but it really will help out. And also drawing in these arrows to show you where you articulate and where you hold. Those will help out a lot. And we'll do that for a while, but hopefully we should eventually get to the point where we won't even need to draw these in. We'll draw these in for probably a bunch more videos, but then eventually we should be able to get to the point where we just look at this and we should really know what it sounds like. So, but if you're not there yet, that's absolutely fine. Just keep working through the playlist and you'll get there soon. So anyway, hopefully you found this informative and useful, and I'll see you soon.